It's a vibe, honestly. I can't say that, oh my god. Hey guys, my name is Jay. Welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome back if you've been here for a while. Today I have a really fun unboxing video for us. I snatched the Scream collection from Glamlite. I'm super excited about that. It is a little late on the uploading side. I have not uploaded in a while. Let's go ahead and jump on into this video. Sorry if I start losing my voice like midway through. I'm not feeling the best. So first up, I did grab the makeup bag, which is huge by the way. Like, look at this. It's bigger than my stuck up my hand. It is bigger than my head. This is huge. I'm so excited about this. The front does have that lenticular motion effect where it's bloody and then it's not bloody, so that's super cool. I love that. The little zippers are like little tiny knives. I love that they have the little feet on the bottom. All around this side is the same like bloody knife effect, which is super cool. On the strap, they've got these little ghost face all over there. So you could carry it by the handle here, or you could carry it by this, and it's adjustable as well. I love that you can detach this as well, just to like carry it like this if you wanted. This is like my favorite thing, honestly, from the whole collection. It's so big, and I'm obsessed with this. Also, I love doing that. So that was the bag. Now we've got a whole box of goodies to get into, so let's jump right in. So as soon as you open the box, you've got this really cool ghost face art on the inside. Let's get rid of that. So the first thing I am seeing is the ghost face mirror. I'm struggling, oh my gosh. It's pretty small compared to what I was thinking it was going to be. I was thinking it was going to be a little bit bigger, but I'm not mad at it. The handle's really nice to hold, and it is like shaped like a knife kind of deal, which is nice. It's also got this really cool drip effect on the top. I think this is cool. It's a vibe, honestly. I love it. All right, so moving on, the next thing I see is this knife eyeliner. I love this packaging. There's a little ghost face peeking around the side. The first off, packaging sticking to the same thing with the black, the silver, the red drips. I really want to know why it's called the knife eyeliner. So let's take a look at this applicator. Oh my gosh, I already got it all over me. Let's just go across the back of the hand here. It does give some pretty sharp corners there. I'll let that dry down, and then I'll try to see how much it wipes off. I mean, you've got a little bit rubbing off, but for the most part, it's staying where it is. I could have not let it dry all the way, but for the most part, it's staying right where I put it, so that's nice. Okay, cool. So with the Pond's cream and micellar water mix, I don't have to scrub too hard, and it comes right off, so I like that. I like that a lot. Alrighty, so the next thing I see is this Black Cherry Lip Duo. I really love this. Gives like the movie theater vibe. So you've got the popcorn, I think they're like matinee lights or something like that. And then the movie tickets, and then you've got the ghost face on this side. Again, on the top, we've got little ghost face decals. So this one is the lip scrub. It smells really good. I got it on my nose. Oops. Does have a bit of like a pinkish purpley tint to it, and it does taste good. I can't stand, my mom got me this lip scrub one time and it tasted so bad. It's like, if it's going on my lips, it's gonna end up in my mouth. Please don't make it taste like chemicals. So now we've got the lip mask. Again, this has kind of like a pinkish purple tint to it as well. Nothing too crazy. That's going right in my bag. Next I see is this. And this is the palette. Okay, this is my favorite packaging. It's like an old school TV with the remote. It's got the buttons on the front, and then like a lenticular motion. Ghost face lives. That's so cool. That is so beautiful. It says Ghost face lives on it with a ghost face hand press. That is so cool. I love all of the shimmers and mattes. Like, I think they mixed it very well. Ooh, don't drop it. This is so pretty. I'm like obsessed with this. I don't even want to touch it. Let's go ahead and swatch some of these. Let's do the first row first. Okay, so these colors on this top row are absolutely killing it. First up, we've got Midnight Robe here. I love the reflex in it. I love how at some angles it looks dark, and then at other angles it looks like a bright silver. Here we've got Movie Night, which is kind of just a really light gray, easy to buff out anything or put in your inner corner. Then next we've got Sharpest Knife, which at some angles is giving a bright purple, and then at other angles is giving kind of like a toned down brown, which I think is really interesting. Next we've got Ghostly Gray, which is a darker gray. Definitely gonna be nice for kind of like a smoky eye, buffing stuff out color. Definitely got all the grays in here for sure. And then lastly, we've got Masked Mystery. It's another shimmer. Again, at some angles it's giving like a dark black color, but then at others you can see that purple reflect in there. I'm loving this top row. It's giving Final Girl vibes. It fits so well. I'm obsessed. Okay, now let's go on to the second row. Second row, we're starting off with Shadows Back. It's this really nice brown color, which I could see being used with almost every color in this palette. I really love it. Next up, we've got Mirror Gleam. This one kind of has a greenish tone to it as well, with like a purple reflect, which I really love about that. This one felt like butter, so soft. Next we've got Chilled Frost, which is exactly what it gives. It's so light with like a light gray with a brown tint to it. I really love that. Next up we've got the palette named itself, Ghostface Lives. This is so pretty. It's like a black with silver purple reflect in it. I think that's a gorgeous color. And then lastly, we've got the Curfew Hour, which gives a navy blue. I don't know how to describe that, but it's definitely a navy blue. But then like when you're looking at it from the side, it just gives black. I love the second row as well. It gives a completely different color story from the first one, even though they fit well together. So here we are with the last row. We're starting with Pure Ghostface. This color is very much a Ghostface color. It's like a purpley gray brown color. Next up, we've got Halloween Icon here, which is a very, I think it's the darkest gray in the palette. Vengeful Spirit. This is so pretty. I love the rose gold reflect in it, but then at the same time it's like a light brown bronze silver. Then we've got Total Suspense, which is this black glitter color. It's got like a green reflect in there. So very pretty. Then lastly we've got Vintage Mask, which is just the black of the palette. All the other colors in this palette, there's such a wide range of grays and browns that I think it's really nice that they added a buildable black, because it does seem to get very dark the more you add to it, but then at the same time you could make it as light as you wanted. So I really love that. I definitely think it goes well with the palette. If this doesn't become my day-to-day palette, someone shoot me, because this is gorgeous. Alrighty, so the next thing I'm seeing in the box is the Ghost Blood Lip Kit. I know blood reds don't look good on me, but I still get them anyway. This packaging is gorgeous. Well, first off, back up. We're keeping with the theme here, but then the pullout is, I love that. But the silver with the blood, I love the silver glitter with the blood. The lip liner has that same kind of black with the blood drip, and then the top is a metallic red, and then this, the top is the same, the black with the red blood drip, but then the lip gloss itself is clear and you can see the color, but then it's got the name and this really cool frosted detailing over it. That's red, wow. So here is the lip liner. It's a very dark blood red. Ooh, I love that doe foot. Whoa, this is like a gloss. It's like a glossy lipstick. I'm not sure what you would call that, but it's very pretty. It's not sticky at all. It's more like oily, like kind of like a lip oil. I know reds don't look good on me. Not trying to sound weird, but I have bigger lips, and whenever I do red, it looks like I'm trying to be Miranda Sings, and we all know how that went, so I try to avoid that. I loved the colors of that one, so let's look at the next one. This is just the Ghostface lip kit. Same vibe with the Ghostface print on the front, but with the little peek window, and then it pulls out at the bottom. This one doesn't have the blood splatter, but still the silver glitter, and then it just says Ghostface all over it. So with this packaging, we've got black Ghostface with little specks all over it with the silver metallic top. And then with the lipstick, we've got Ghostface written on this side, and then the actual Ghostface himself on the other side, and then the knife on the top. How do you open this? On the top, we've got a little Ghostface print on it, and then along this side of it, we've just got little knives pressed in. I'm gonna be honest, I don't totally understand what's happening here. Dude, this does not give this. Okay. Next up, we've got this. It looks like it is the blush. I had to go ahead and swatch it because I was like, this is really dark for a blush. You don't need much of this. A little goes a long way here, baby. Love, again, the Ghostface press in this. It's, again, ties it all together. It makes me not want to use it, but that's okay. Again, with this lenticular motion, here we've got the highlighter duo. I think this one did it too. I was just moving way too fast. Okay, yeah. So the blush does it too. We go from same with the bag, blood to no blood. Ghostface to Ghostface with a knife. I am struggling to get this packaging out. Half of these openings I'm cutting out because I look so stupid trying to get this out of the packaging. So again, we've got like a press, but not a press. Like it's like matte where the press is, but glitter everywhere else. So we've got the Ghostface and then we've got the knife. I'm in love with this. Okay, so here we've got the top one. It's like an icy purpley blue color. And then we've also got this a nudish gold color, which would look beautiful on darker skin tones. Now that I think about it, this blush would look beautiful on darker skin tones as well. Wow, these highlighters, hold on. Honestly, with this lip, I would probably go with the nudie one more than the icy one, but I really love both of them. I think they're gorgeous. You do not need much. Wow, okay. Alrighty, y'all. So I'm knocking stuff over. As a whole, this has probably got to be my favorite makeup collection ever. I love everything. I'm obsessed. I'm knocking stuff over. The way all of the colors fit together, each piece is cohesive to the other. I love the packaging. This was genuinely probably one of my favorite makeup unboxings ever. I mean, my entire vanity is covered in makeup collections as a whole, and I've never had as much fun as I did unboxing this one. The detail in every little thing, from the Ghostface press at the top of the lipstick to the knives on the side and the matte press on the highlighters, everything in this collection was amazing. If you haven't picked it up yet and you're obsessed with Ghostface or you love this type of vibe when it comes to makeup, you have to pick it up. I'm obsessed with this whole thing. I think I've said obsessed 50 times, so I will shut up. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, click the subscribe button. Give this video a like if you found it interesting or informative in any way. I really appreciate you guys for watching this video, and I hope I see you next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. That red lipstick though just is not gonna look good on me, but the rest I'm obsessed with.